pwedeng tingin na kasmay na agad. So parang ano lang yan. Sige. Uy! Okay lang dito nakaharap sa start. Pero pag nagpatay ka dyan, parang malaki yung tingin mo doon. Yun, parang malaki yung movement. Si Lola din. Dito ka nakatingin, parang malaki yung movement mo. Yan. Si Daddy naman, malaki naman yung sit up eh. Kasi ikaw, baka mas pag-ganon. Mapunta dito at tingin. Ha? So ito. Ito ang eyeline dito. Somewhere here. Ha? Okay, para isa lang. Scarlett, tabi ka na sa akin. Para ikaw na rin titignan nila. O yan, titingin kayo kay Scarlett. Okay. So yung yung tingin natin, it has to come out na naturally pa rin. Parang tatawagin kayo ni Scarlett na, Merienda! Uy! So hindi nyo kailangan ko lang snappy yung tingin. Pero, huwag nyo masyadong superimpose, no? So kailangan natural pa rin siya na busy, may tinawag. Yeah? Okay. So the scene will come out funny, pero don't try to be funny. Yeah? Okay? Yan. So magre-react kayo pag narinig niyo si Scarlett na tumawag, ha? Okay. Yan. Sana, merienda na, look. And then, don't extend, Mommy and Scarlett, do not extend yung na, dapat, merienda na, para may cue sila. Okay? Can you hear? 1, 2, 3, go. Merienda na! Hindi, don't na, huwag yung habaan. Ganito siya. Merienda na! 3, 2, 1, go. Merienda na! Yan. Very good. Para may timing din sila na snap. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, action. Go! Okay, cut. Don't anticipate Daddy na ulang ang lumingon bago magsalita. Ha? Ito talaga yung pinakamahirap kasi you have to work as a team. Okay, everybody. Kasi may timing tayo dyan. Na, look. Merienda na, look. Merienda na. Oo. Okay? Okay, ready? Daddy, nakagalaw na. Okay. 3. Forward ka rin ako, Daddy. Yan. And 3, 2, 1, action. Go. Look! Smile! Okay ka. Pero tama yung timing nito. So wala mo nang tingin, ha? Sige, ready? And 3, 2, 1, action. Huwag masyadong mabilis. So parang nag-isip ka, parang busy si Lola, busy si Kuya, busy si Daddy, busy si Lolo. Assistance po. Talikod ako matawag. Ito martial arts character ka. Okay, now let's do the merienda time with Mommy. So same action, but this time, sabay kayo. When I say 3, 2, 1, action. Merienda na. Merienda na. Merienda na. Take a break. So, ganito. 3, 2, 1, action. Galaw-galaw. 1 beat. Parang 1 beat before you say merienda na. Tapos sabay dapat. Parang 3, 2, 1, action. Merienda na! Sabay ha? So parang 3, 2, 1, action. Merienda na! Tingin. Pag tingin kayo sa kanila. Tapos, sisigaw. And then you will say, take a break! And then when she says take a break, you will look at the ice cream and smile. So, merienda na, take a break, smile. Okay? Okay? Sige. To your right ang konti, mami. Forward ang konti, mami. Okay, hold. Mami to your right a bit. Okay, hang on. One step back, mommy and daughter. Okay. Ayan natin, mami. To your right some more. Okay, ready guys? Okay, and ano na, pumapalo ka na dati. Pumapalo na, yan. Mami, nagtas-dance na, ikaw nakaangat na yung paa mo. Sige, doon nakaharap dad, doon na nakaharap lolo. Yan. Okay, one beat ha. And 3, 2, 1, action. Go.
Merienda! Take a break!
Okay, cut. So, kailangan lang natin masakto dad na merienda na, up. Di ba? Merienda na, up, ikaw, merienda na, look, daddy look, kuya look. Kuya yung look mo mas pa gano'n. Yeah? Or maybe kuya mas parang bababa mo lang. Yan. Okay? Ikaw, Lola, doon ka nakaharap para malaki yung tingin mo. Ayan. Sige, ready. Quicker lang, mas faster lang yung merienda na. Mas gano'n ha? Mas gano'n yung delivery. Okay. Ready guys? And 3, 2, 1, action. Go.
Merienda na! Take a break!
And cut. Okay. Can I see the take a break is go up. Yan. Harap ko. And then, paangat anak pa ganyan. Yan, para you don't hit the ice cream. Can you say, take a break?
Break!
Yan. Okay?
Wala pa kami smile.
The smile happens after take a break. Okay, very good. Lola, medyo late lang ha. Quicker lang yung tingin. Okay, now the merienda na, your eyeline should be mommy. When she says take a break, you look at your apo, your daughter, and then smile. Baliktad. Baliktad natin. Merienda na, you're looking at her, and then take a break, you look at the ice cream. Yan. You smile here. Okay? Okay, ready? Okay? Practice muna, practice. Tayo ka muna dad, para hindi mahirapan. O, 3, 2, 1, action, and go.
Merienda na!
Look here. Dito muna. Merienda na. Look. When they look, that's the time you say, go.
Take a break!
And then look, smile. Here hindi kay mami sa ice cream. Okay. The smile should be parang 1, 2 dapat yan. Look. Uy! With a smile. Yan. Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1, action.
Merienda na! Take a break!
Okay, cut. It has to be, ano lang, tama lang dapat yung timing natin. So it has to be, merienda na, take a break, smile. Okay? Let's remove the take a break. Let's remove the take a break. Let's just do action, merienda na, look, smile. That's it. Dito na, diretso na. Look, smile. O, patingin. Ready? 3, 2, 1, action.
Merienda na!
Look, smile. Wala na ha. Don't look at your apo na ha. O, again, look away. Wala mo na movement ha. Look away lang muna. 3, 2, 1, look, smile. Again. Masabay-sabay ha. 3, 2, 1, look, smile. Okay, one more. Don't smile when you look. Para makita ko lolo. Isa pa. 3, 2, 1, look, smile. Yan. The smile, lolo, mas more on rather than yan, mas excited. Ubuhan nyo para lumambot. Okay? Ayan yung actual product natin. Ayan yung size.
Oh, maliit.
Parang bago.
Nagbigay sila ng...
Wala pa nga yun sa ano, sa store. Wala pa sa store, yung ganyang kaliit. Kasi madalas kami bumibili niyan, yung talagang malalaki eh. Yung ganyang kaliit, wala pa.
Okay, ready? I-favor natin sa akin yung mga label ng product. Favor niyo sa camera.
Ah, so yung mismo ang hahawakan nila.
Tapos, huwag yung masyadong hawak. Hindi ganyan dad. Pwede ka magkaliwa, daddy. Yan.
So itong bago, product ng
Yan.
Selenita.
Ikaw din, daddy. Kaliwa ka din.
Maliliit.
Yan. Kaya mo yan. Tapos huwag yung masyadong yakapin yung product kasi maliit siya eh, di ba? Tama yan, medyo ano lang, ganyan lang yung hapon, masyadong... Yan, okay naman yan, okay din yan dad, sa ilalim ka. Yan, yan lolo. Lolo, favor mo pa sa akin ng konti yung product. No, ikot mo yung mismo. Ito mismo. Yan. Yan, okay? Alam na to ni Scarlett, mommy and daddy eh. Dapat hindi tayo sabay-sabay, ha? Pakiramdaman. Okay? Kasi pag sabay-sabay kayong kumain, may dead air. Meaning, walang nag-acting, walang nagsalita. So, gawin natin, in the beginning, ang unang susubo, si daddy, si lola. Okay? Tapos, si Scarlett will eat din. Tapos, nagkukwento, nagkatawanan. Okay? Tapos, kung sino man yung unang batch na sumubo, which is si Daddy, Lola, and Scarlett, after nila, kayo tatlo naman. Kayo naman yun ang magtatawanan at magkukwentuhan. So, saluhan lang, ha? And then, remember Scarlett, you have to interact with each other. Look at everybody, ha? Okay? Sige. Yung point of conversation natin is, buti na lang, may ice cream, ang sarap! Oo nga, busy-busy kasi kayo. Tawa-tawa. Yan. Di ba po, masarap? Marami pa po doon. Anong flavor nung sa'yo? Uy, sarap niya na. Pero wag magtitikiman, ha? Do not share. Okay? Baka hindi matuloy. Baka mapalitan. Okay, ready? First position. Ano ka na rin, kuya? Indian sit ka na din. Yan.
Natapon agad.
Can you sit down here? Issue ka naman ang sulan na just extra spoon. 5 seconds. Ito ang mga sulan na. Meron niya tao. Nag-plan ko na ako for 1 second. Tapos naman. Ready ka na lang. Para pag ano. Okay. Ready guys? Enjoy ha? Enjoy. Okay, and kuya, favor mo yung malasakay pa. 3, 2, 3, 2, 1, action!
Ay, naku, ang sarap, di ba?
And tawanan! Kain! Sarap!
Tama na, no? Ayan!
Nakapagod mo lang.
Oo, tama.
Kain! Tawanan! Sarap!
Yummy, ha? Ito ka lang.
And cut. Okay, cut. Okay, very good. Now, I want lang, that's very good, but I want lang the star of the should be si Scarlett. Kasi Scarlett yung nakaisip ng So dapat the adults, it's okay to interact with each other, pero you always go back to Scarlett. And then Scarlett, don't eat and eat and eat. I need to see your expression. I need to see you smiling at Lolo and Lola and Mommy. No? So don't focus on the eating too much. I need to see an expression one after you eat. Opo. Smile. And then saka kakain ulit. Alright? So ano lang, i-pace mo lang. Okay, and then for the two boys, favor lang ha. Remember, the camera is here, so make sure huwag kayo masyadong matagal na nakatingin doon. You can interact with your dad, no? And then when you eat, you can favor a little bit to the camera when you eat. Alright? Okay, ready, and 3, 2, 1, action.
Ang sarap. Oh, rocket. Wow.
Hindi pagod na pagod kumain. Kailangan talaga kumain.
Yeah.
Huwag ka na naman i-start.
Yun. Buti naalala mo, di ba?
This is my favorite.
You're very good. Wow.
Kain.
Lalo na
Look at Lola. Talk to Lola. Smile at Lola. And cut. Okay, that's very good. Very nice. One more. You have to make eye contact. Okay, Scarlett? Whenever you talk to people, you have to look them in the eye. Yeah, and then Lola also. Okay, very good. Okay, very good, guys. Tingin, watch. And then, ano kayong gagawin ko? When I say go, walk, uy, somewhere here, nakita mo dito sa taas, ito yung clock, parang nakating kang gano'n. Uy, 4 o'clock na. Tapos, bukas, shook, tingin kay Scarlett, smile. Okay, ready? This is way. This here. Okay. They're below, ha? Lolo, Lola. Yeah. Sige. Dito pa tingin. Yan. This is Lola. This is Lolo. This is Daddy. And Kuya. Okay? Mommy, can I see the lakad? Closer pa, Mommy, kay Scarlett. Yan. And then, pag magkatabi na kayo, dyan mo sasabihin yung line. And go nga, Mami, lakad.
Uy, 4 o'clock na.
Tingin kay Scarlett. Yan. Very good. Okay, ready? And I'll tell you when, Mami, sa go. And 3, 2, 1, action.
Uy, 4 o'clock na.
Okay, cut. On go, Mami. On go. And then pwedeng mas faster lang, Mami. Para pag sabi kong go, uy, 4 o'clock na. Sabay mo na to. Shook. On go, Mami, ha? On go. Put your hair back. Wala mo na kamay, Scarlett. 3, 2, 1, action. Cut. Baka that's too big, Scarlett. Baka subtle lang. Mas gano'n lang. Huwag masyado, Okay? Mas innocent lang. Mas bata pa. Baka don't frown. Baka mas ganyan lang. You're just watching. Oh, yan. Mas ganyan. Okay, very good. Ready? 3, 2, 1, action. Okay, masungit lang masyado, Scarlett, if you put your chin up. So, don't do that. Para hindi ka mukhang masungit. Mas gano'n lang, parang you're wondering lang. You're curious lang. Ginagawa nila. Sila sobrang busy. Paano ko kaya sila may istorbo? Ayan. Okay, ready? Don't put your chin up too much, ha? And 3, 2, 1, action. Lolo, Lola, Kuya, Daddy, go.
Uy, 4 o'clock na.
And cut. And then, idikit mo pa, Mami. Uy, 4 o'clock na. Idikit mo pa. No? So sa go, uy, 4 o'clock na. Yan. Pwede mas malapit ka ng konti. Yan. And then, uy, 4 o'clock na. You smile first before you look at Mom. You go, uy, 4 o'clock na. Uy. Okay? Yan. Yes. Baka that's too big. Subtle lang, mas subtle. Yan. Very good, Scarlett. 3, 2, 1, action. Go.
Uy, 4 o'clock na.
Cut. Very good. Don't look at the camera lang when you smile. Very nice. Mami, dikit mo pa, ha? Uy, 4 o'clock na. Huwag mo lagyan ng gap. And 3, 2, 1, action. Go.
Uy, 4 o'clock na.
Cut. Very good. Bye. Try mo nga pa forward. Take a break.
Take a break.
Yan. Kaya pamang. Yan. Okay, ready? Look at each other. Tanggal yung kamay sa bulsa. Yan. And 3, 2, 1, action.
Merienda na! Take a break!
Got one more. Ready? And 3, 2, 1, action.
Merienda na! Take a break!
Cut. Pwedeng mas closer. Kaya si nga, yung kamay. Move. Ito lang. Bukaw lang konti. Cobra. Tapos pwedeng naka-bend ng konti. Bend. Can you see? Yan, baka better yan. Sa pa na. One more. 3, 2, 1, action.
Merienda na! Take a break!
Cut. Face this way. Take a break. Can you see the hands? Yan. The right hand, open mo pa. Bukas pa ng konti. Yun! Okay, ready? One more. Yeah. Okay. Ready? Dito, tingin sa likod ko ha. Huwag sa camera ha. And 3, 2, 1, action.
Merienda na! Take a break!
Good. Very good. O, gawa tayo ng pataas ng kamay. Ready?
Naka-bend pa ba ng taas?
Straight na. Take a break. 3. Nod kay mami ha, bago maglakad. 3, 2, 1, action.
Merienda na! Take a break!
Good. Very good.
Eating day!
Bye! I'm just tired.
So, ito ang mga clothes to fit. Dapat yellow. Sure. Atas rin ganyan. Oh, ito ang kanyang first outfit sa fitting. Dapat yellow. Yellow for Selecta. Si Lola. Lolo. Oh, slippers. O, sige, yung yellow na lang din. Buti talaga yellow. Yellow din tayo.
Tapos yung mga okay niya, come forward sa akin. O group tayo. Sino ba magpipicture? Sa kadali lalakad ko na. Sige. Ay, hindi mo muna pa-isa pero ako. Sa deck na. Galing ko ngayon. Hindi naman ito. Kaya ako naman lalakad.
Selecta. Ang cute.
Ay, ang ano lang, ang na-receive ko lang dito, sabi ko, Ma'am Alice, ngayon lang kami natapos. Kagabi pa ito. Ngayon. Sa Viber.
At dito ka na, baby.
Fitting day. Ang taray of shoulder.
Sana? Picture. Tignan ko ba